Grab your pretzels and popcorn, or maybe some ice cream. It's snack time study with Eric from Bean. Hey folks, snack time study. It's Eric again. Let's jump into today's answers and questions. Yesterday we asked, name all the locations that the Windows agent can use as a repository, and if there are any conditions on when you can use certain ones. It's a lot to digest there, and I'm sure if you looked into it, you did a lot of reading. Maybe the agent guide itself was a good resource. And there you go. It is a good resource based on the link that we have there. So that's where the QR code leads. So another thing you can do is look in the actual interface, which is a great resource for studying if you have the ability to have a VBR server at hand, so that you can look in there and understand where things are and why certain things are available and they aren't when you do certain things. So if you see here, you have local storage, which would be like a USB drive, another drive that's connected to a machine, be it a workstation or a server. Object storage, shared folders, so SMB, some sort of a NAS device. A Veeam backup repository, well, that makes sense, and a Veeam Cloud Connect repository for those that are using a service provider. For the free product edition, the two Veeam options aren't available. Well, that makes sense. You'd have to have something licensed in order to do that. So a lot of different options here to understand what's available when. Just keep in mind, if it starts with Veeam, it's not going to be available unless you have a license. Let's see what the next question is. Same question except Linux this time. Name all the locations that the Linux agent can use as a repository, and if there are any conditions on when you can use certain ones. Well, this one should lead you to probably reading in the Linux agent guide this time, so happy studying.